7 Secret Websites to Make Money in 2025. Ready to unlock the ultimate treasure chest of secret websites to make money in 2025? From earning extra cash by completing online tasks to building a reliable income stream, these lesser-known platforms are your golden ticket. Whether it's mystery shopping, providing valuable feedback, or even watching videos, this guide is packed with fun and rewarding ways to fill your bank account. This is Norbipol TV. Please subscribe this channel for more videos like this. 1. Upwork, a hub for freelancers. This online marketplace is the ultimate playground for freelancers of all trades, wordsmiths, designers, programmers, translators, or multitasking pros, connecting you with clients across the globe. Getting started is a breeze. Create a free account, craft a profile that screams "Hire me," and showcase your skills like a rock star. Upwork is your ticket to turning hobbies into paydays, from one-off gigs to long-term contracts. With millions of clients looking for talent, you'll find opportunities to match every skill level. Start browsing projects and apply for ones that match your vibe. 2. TaskRabbit, tackle everyday chores for extra cash. TaskRabbit is a platform that allows users to earn money online by completing tasks and odd chores. From assembling furniture and delivery jobs to running errands or even helping someone move, there's something for everyone. Create a profile, set your rates, and choose the jobs you want. Whether you have a knack for fixing things or simply want to help out in your community, TaskRabbit lets you earn extra on your terms. With flexible hours and various tasks, make money without being tied to a 9-to-5 schedule. 3. Shuttertock, sell your creativity. Shuttertock is a treasure trove for creators who want to make money online. If you're a photographer, videographer, or graphic designer, this platform allows you to sell your work to a global audience. Upload your creations, and earn a commission every time someone downloads your content. Whether you specialize in breathtaking landscapes, unique illustrations, or stock videos, Shuttertock lets you turn your creativity into a steady passive income stream. It's an ideal way to earn while showcasing your artistic talent to businesses, marketers, and content creators worldwide. 4. Swagbucks, earn while you surf. Swagbucks is a fun and easy way to earn cash rewards online. This platform compensates users for simple tasks like watching videos, completing surveys, shopping online, or playing video games. Sign up for free, earn points, known as Swagbucks or SP, and redeem them for gift cards or PayPal cash. It's the perfect way to make money from home, turning your spare time into extra cash. With no upfront fees and countless ways to earn, Swagbucks is one of the most popular mystery shopping and rewards platforms, making earning online effortless and entertaining. 5. Rover, for pet lovers and pet owners. If you're an animal lover, Rover offers a tail-wagging way to earn money online. This platform connects pet owners with trusted sitters and walkers. Sign up, create a profile showcasing your experience with pets, and set your own rates. Services include dog walking, pet sitting, boarding, and even house visits. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time gig, Rover lets you enjoy cuddles, tail wags, and adorable purrs while earning extra money. It's an excellent way to connect with pet owners and build a steady income stream doing something you love. 6. Study Pool, sell your knowledge. This is an innovative platform that lets you earn money by sharing your expertise. Whether you're a math whiz, a science guru, or an expert in any subject, help students worldwide by answering questions or uploading study materials. Create an account, set your own prices, and start earning as students pay for your assistance. For example, upload your class notes or tutorials, and you'll earn every time they're purchased. Study Pool is an easy and rewarding way to make money online while providing valuable insights to learners. 7. Clear Voice, write your way to success. Looking for creative ways to make money? Clear Voice is a top-tier platform for writers and content creators looking to earn online. It connects freelancers with businesses needing high-quality articles, blog posts, and copywriting services. Set up a profile, build a professional portfolio showcasing your best work, and Clear Voice will match you with projects that suit your skills. Freelancers on Clear Voice earn competitive rates, and the platform handles payments seamlessly. Whether you're a seasoned writer or just starting, Clear Voice offers a stable income stream and the chance to work with clients across various industries worldwide. This is Norbipol TV. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video. Thank you.